Jamaica I come from.
Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. How do you ask where are you from in Jamaican Patois? Well, today I will teach you a few ways to ask this question and how to answer. So if that's something you might be interested in, please keep watching. Okay, so how do you ask where are you from in Jamaican Patois? Well, there are many ways to do this. So the first way we look at is where you come from. Where you come from. Where you come from. Where you come from. Then a slight variation of this is where you come from. So you put the question marking A, I think, the question marking in front of it. Where you come from. Where you come from. Where you come from. Another way to ask this question is which part you come from. Which part you come from. Which part you come from. And a slight variation again, you add the in front of it. Which part you come from. Which part you come from. Now, in all of these sentences, in all of these questions where we have come, you can replace it with forward. Actually, in Jamaica today, a lot of young, particularly males, would say, where you forward from? Where you forward from? Which part you forward from? Which part you forward from? So where you see the word come, it can be replaced with forward, but not everybody uses that. So this is the more general way to speak. But just in case you hear somebody asking you where you forward from, it means the same thing as where are you from. Also, in this question, which part you come from, there's also another variation, which art. So some people remove the P. So their question will be, which art you come from? Which art you come from? Now, in order to answer these questions, first let's recap. So where are you from in Jamaican Patois is where you come from, where you forward from. Where you come from, where you forward from. Which part you come from, which art you come from. Which part you come from, which art you come from. Which part you forward from, which part you're forward from. And in order to answer this question, you can say, me come from Jamaica. So I'm from Jamaica. In Jamaican Patois would be, me come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica. Or, Jamaica me come from. Jamaica me come from. And once again, the same come in this sentence can be replaced with forward. So, Jamaica me forward from, or me forward from Jamaica. So, to answer your question, how do you ask where are you from in Jamaican Patois? Where you come from. And how do you answer this question? Me come from Jamaica. So now that you know how to ask and answer this question, which part you come from? Write your answers in the comment section below. And if you have any questions about Jamaican Patois grammar, Jamaican Patois vocabulary, leave those questions in the comment section as well. Do you know how to ask how old are you in Jamaican Patois? Do you know how to count from 1 to 1,000,000 in Jamaican Patois? Well, if you don't know, check out these other videos on the channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourselves, Zine. please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine.